Okay, hi there. Today I want us to talk about something, and it's gonna be AI related. AI won't steal your product design job, or at least I hope. This video can either age really well or really poorly, like any other video that's out there. Anyways, there has been a lot of commotion lately about the role of AI in today's world and how it will impact us, people, and our jobs. What I'm here to do is mention somewhat confidently that it won't impact product designers. I'm referring to digital product designers. Why I'm making this video now and not when I was supposed to jump on the hype train? Because I don't like hype trains. Anyways, we'll be talking about the following topics: what AI isn't, what product designers do if you're not familiar with it, why AI won't steal your product design job, and as a designer, how to make yourself AI-proof as much as possible. So let's begin. AI, or artificial intelligence, is more artificial than it is intelligent. Now, don't get me wrong, it can sift through and manage tremendous amounts of data, generate compelling texts, images, sounds, and videos. But the output that's being generated, although impressive at first, you can quickly realize that it's just a facade, a surface-level generation without any purpose or thinking behind it. There is logic there, but there's not thinking. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you know nothing about math, but you learn the solution to a problem by heart. You're charismatic and you go in front of an audience presenting that math solution like you know what you're talking about, in a compelling way. Some might think you're really intelligent. That is exactly what's happening today with AI. What do product designers do? Well, to give you a bit of context, I've been designing stuff for the past 15 years. I haven't always been a product designer. When I started designing, the term didn't even exist. I began with graphic design, then transitioned to designing websites. When modern phones appeared, I designed apps for them. Along the way, as the industry evolved and the profession matured, I started to ask more questions about the work that we were doing. Why are we doing it in the first place? For whom? What's the benefit for the company that I'm working for? Also, how does that work bring benefits to the customers that we're serving? Product designers design the products or features of a product, what you actually see and interact with. But they also think of the implications that specific products or features have, not only from a business point of view, but also from the point of view of the customers that are using them. They also think in the context of the broader journey, so to speak. Why AI won't steal the job of product designers? And there are two concepts that I want us to look at: the request and the strategy for handling that request. I will start with the easiest one to tackle, the strategy. As established, although it might seem like it's intelligent, in reality it isn't. When AI is asked a request, people still need to point it in a specific direction to be able to produce relevant and decent results. That is because requests can be vague and unspecific. AI is really good at surface level requests. What it's not good at is critical thinking. Because it's not thinking, it lacks understanding, and it's not good at dissecting requests. It knows if a response is acceptable enough, but it doesn't understand if and how that response is helpful. A product designer needs to understand how a response helps both the business move forward and the customer with the things that they're using the product for. They create clarity around requests, strategize on how to approach it, and deliver something in line with the company's goals without sacrificing the experience of the end customer. There are times when the deliverable and the strategy are not even connected to the design discipline as we know it. And that is the kind of result that you are not able to get with something that is built to respond in a specific, structured, and expected way. There's that saying, before we had cars, if you asked people what they wanted, they would have said a faster horse. Well, today, AI gives people what they want. It might be what they requested, but it might be way less than what it could be. How to make yourself AI-proof as much as possible. You need to understand what you bring to the table, at what level you're performing, and be able to communicate that value. If your job is repetitive, if you think your job can be easily automated, if AI already is performing some of the things that you're doing with decent efficiency and with lower costs, then you need to start looking at opportunities to pivot. It's logical in this day and age, and especially in today's economy, for companies to optimize their costs. So if your perceived value is less than your cost, companies will search for cost-efficient alternatives. And there's the other somewhat obvious thing, that you need to learn how to leverage the power of AI and use it as a tool to help you be more efficient. Find opportunities and transform and optimize your workflows with the latest tools available, AI or not, to make you a stronger competitor in today's market. Stay vigilant and open to any emerging technology, but always approach it with a critical eye. If you're a product designer and you've been tormented by the looming AI cloud, I hope I've put some of your concerns at ease. I'm curious what's your opinion on the matter expressed in the video. Leave a comment below with that and with any ideas that you want me to approach in the future. A like and share would help tremendously, and if you want to see what other stuff I put out there, a subscribe would help both ways. Talk soon.